Hello everyone, in today's video, I'm going to review the Mode Earn app. Mode Earn is a mobile app that allows users to earn money by completing simple tasks, watching short videos, taking surveys, and trying out new apps. It is designed to provide a flexible way to make extra income directly from your smartphone. Let's see its features. Mode Earn lets users earn money through various activities such as listening to music, watching videos, completing offers and surveys, or even charging their phone. The app supports withdrawals via PayPal and gift cards, and is primarily available on Android devices. Now, we will see its pricing. It is free to use, with an optional paid membership that unlocks higher earnings and extra perks. Here, we will talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the Mode Earn app offers multiple earning options, has a low minimum cash out, and some users report successful payouts. On the downside, earnings are slow and low. Tasks can be misleading or glitchy, customer support is weak, and the paid membership adds cost without guaranteed value. Here, we will talk about customer reviews. Users find Mode Earn useful for small, passive earnings, but many report that tasks often do not credit properly, and withdrawals can have issues. Overall, it can provide a minor side income, but is not reliable for significant earnings. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.